Meaning of great auk.
Great auk.
Great auk.
Great auk.
Great auk. The great auk was a flightless bird that used to inhabit the North Atlantic Ocean. It became extinct in the mid-19th century due to overhunting for its meat, eggs, and feathers. The name great auk comes from its size and appearance, as it was larger than most other auks with a distinctive black and white plumage. This bird was an important symbol for many indigenous cultures, and its loss is considered a tragedy for both the environment and human history. Today, efforts are being made to protect the remaining species of alcid birds from a similar fate.